Today we're speaking with Lion, one of Australia's largest brewers, which employs more than 1,500 people. Lion produces iconic brands such as Toys, 4X, James Squire Zero, as well as craft beers such as Furphy and Little Creatures, cider, alcoholic seltzer, coffee and kombucha. Lion has made great progress in emissions reduction and in 2020 became the country's first large-scale carbon-neutral brewer. Joining me today is Justin Merrell. Justin is the Group Environment Director at Lion.
And one of our key goals in packaging is obviously, wouldn't be surprising then that we set a recycled content target. So we want to be over, greater than 55% over in the next 3 years. And we want to have all our packaging recyclable. And as I said, fortunately, we're in a good position because we use kegs and we use cans and we use bottles, and they're all, recyclable many, many times over. The other scope 3 that you spoke about, obviously the ingredients, and we spoke a little bit about agriculture and how that process leads to carbon emissions. There's some good work being undertaken with some of our, and one thing I should point out too is that, we don't use barley in beer making, we use malt. Malt is modified barley. So the barley comes from the farms, it goes to the maltsters, and then it goes from the maltsters to the breweries. But we're working with some very forward-thinking malt suppliers like Malt, who are quite heavily invested into that barley farming space and working with those farmers to look at regenerative agriculture and even look at carbon neutral barleys. And obviously that's something that we're very keen to explore with them and ultimately get our hands on.